How do you say I need help in Spanish? Necesito ayuda. Okay, let me slow it down. Repeat after me. Necesito ayuda. Let's say it again. Necesito ayuda. I need help. Necesito ayuda. I need, necesito. Help, ayuda. I need help. Necesito ayuda. Now let's learn how to say, can you help me? ¿Me puedes ayudar? Okay, let's slow it down. Repeat after me. ¿Me puedes ayudar? ¿Me puedes ayudar? Can you help me? ¿Me puedes ayudar? Now let's say, please. Por favor. Okay, repeat after me. Por favor. Por favor. Please. Por favor. So the whole enchilada goes like this. I need help. Can you help me, please? Necesito ayuda. ¿Me puedes ayudar, por favor? I need help. Can you help me, please? Necesito ayuda. ¿Me puedes ayudar, por favor? Now, you can say any of these individually by themselves. You can say, I need help. Necesito ayuda. Or you can say, can you help me? ¿Me puedes ayudar? Or you can just say, please, por favor. So you can use all these phrases individually, or you can combine them. However you want to scramble them, it's all up to you. It's all good.